My freezer is broken. I better call the repairman. Hello. Yes, my freezer handle is wiggly. Can you please help me fix it? Hello. Yes, this is Alabama Appliances. Oh, we can totally fix your freezer handle. We'll be there soon and see what we can do. Bye. Thanks for calling. Oh, hey, this is Alabama Appliances. How can I help you?
So you can see that the handle is coming loose and it's about to come off.
Can you help me? Sure. It's all about having the right tools for the job. So for this job, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a Allen wrench. So to take it off, there's two bolts. There's one here and then there's one here. So this one's already loose, so you're just going to take that one off. And then you slide this to the right, and then you're going to take that off. So there's a bolt here, and so we need to get that bolt out with the Allen wrench. So there's a hole here. And we'll need the Allen wrench to unscrew it out. There we go. And we have the bolt out right here. And there's no bolt over here anymore. So we have the bolt and the screwdriver. And so we're going to have to put this bolt back in the freezer with your screwdriver. We're going to tighten it until you can't do it anymore. And while we're here, we're going to do this one too. So now we're going to put the bar back on, and this side will go on the left side, and this side will go on the right side. So what you're going to do for the left side is you're going to get this piece, you're going to put it over here, you're going to slide it to the left. And then this piece you're going to hook on, but you see it's still loose. So we have to get our Allen wrench, and we have to get the 3x32. And then we're going to tighten this bolt that we did earlier, that we loosened so that we could get the big one out. And now we're done. Let's see if it works.